On Wednesday, U.S. Deputy Secretary of State Kurt Campbell highlighted the challenges in the nuclear submarine construction supply chain. As reported in a hearing at the Center for New American Security in Washington, Campbell made it clear that the agreement in the AUKUS Pact was aimed more at increasing production and repair of submarine units in general, including submarines that require servicing. The review shows that other ship projects such as the Columbia-class SSBNs have been delayed by around 12 to 16 months, while the U.S. Navy's Block IV Virginia-class submarines are also around 36 months behind schedule. The submarines, built by Electric Boat and Newport News Shipbuilding, need to improve their performance so that construction times can be accelerated, with the aim of reducing the impact on supply chains affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. In terms of ship projects during the COVID-19 pandemic, the U.S. has a significant number of submarines requiring servicing. Therefore, the U.S. must increase production of Virginia-class submarines, which are currently experiencing a number of funding and production capacity constraints. This action is expected to meet the needs of the U.S. Navy as well as sell used ships to Australia. The sale of 3 Virginia-class nuclear-powered submarines to Australia is permitted by the NDAA, which was passed on December 13, 2023, as part of the AUKUS Trilateral Defense Framework. Approval of the sale of nuclear submarines comes after the exclusion of Australia and the UK from U.S. defense export control permits and their incorporation into the U.S. Defense Production Act. Under the AUKUS agreement, the U.S. Navy will sell used Block IV Virginia-class submarines to Australia in 2032 and 2035, and Block VII Virginia-class submarines in 2038. Block IV Virginia-class submarines are equipped with advanced sonar systems and cruise missiles, Tomahawk, and has significant operational experience.